Scent Friends, in my last video I covered my Everyday Luxuries collection haul. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. But right now I'm going to show you what else I got from the fall collection. The first scent is Sunrise Woods. This is a nice cozy fall scent, which makes sense because one of the scent notes is cozy cashmere. The other notes are creamy sandalwood and sweet berries. I get a shampoo-like smell where I imagine a girl with long soft hair walking through a park with the wind blowing through it, and it smells like this. It's clean and soft, and I think that if you like scents like pink suede, you might like this one as well. Pink suede definitely has more of a clean cotton scent, with notes of blush berries, velvet, peonies, and soft cotton. But they both give me that soft, clean feeling. I'm not saying that they smell alike, but I do think that if you like scents like pink suede, that you might want to check out Sunrise Woods. I think that it's a really nice transitional scent going from summer to fall. The next body mist that I picked up was Together Weather, and I only got a mini of this. Together Weather has scent notes of blushing breeze, sugared cardamom, and soft cedar. I was debating between this and Autumn Drive, but I've been finding myself leaning towards cardamom scents lately. And I think it's because I've fallen in love with vanilla romance. I think that if you like vanilla romance, that you would also like Together Weather. This has scent notes of fresh cardamom, vanilla absolute, and captivating woods. Together Weather doesn't have that vanilla creaminess, but the cardamom is pretty similar. The next one is not necessarily a fall scent, but I picked it up alongside these other items. Gingham Gorgeous is one of those staple Bath & Body Works scents that I've been thinking about picking up for a while. This has scent notes of pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. This is reminiscent of a designer perfume, and I really enjoy the feminine fruity floral quality about this. I think that if you're into really girly but not juvenile scents, you would enjoy this. For example, if you like rose, which I have here as a body cream, I think that you'll enjoy Gingham Gorgeous. This has scent notes of airy rose water, jasmine petals, and creamy musk. If you like scents like rose or Gingham Love, which I have here as a body lotion, you might want to check out Gingham Gorgeous too. Gingham Love has sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose meringue. Again, these don't smell alike, but I just wanted to give you an idea of whether or not you might like Gingham Gorgeous. I also picked up Wicked Vanilla Woods, which is an online exclusive. This is more of a woodsy scent to me, but I think that the vanilla adds a little bit of creaminess and sweetness to the scent. The scent notes are magical vanilla, glowing amberwood, and enchanting pink pepper. I don't have any scents in my collection that smell like this, so I am happy that I picked it up, though I wish it wasn't just an online exclusive. The next scent that I picked up is Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. This is a sweet, boozy vanilla, which I really enjoy. It has scent notes of warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. This is much more of a vanilla scent to me than Wicked Vanilla Woods, and it leans a little bit gourmand. So if you like scents like Vanilla Bean Noel or Wild Madagascar Vanilla, I think you might like Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Vanilla Bean Noel has notes of fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. Wild Madagascar Vanilla has Wild Madagascar Accord, African Pear, and Wild Jasmine. Now, if you like scents like Ballet Nights or Viva Vanilla, this next one might be a better match for you. Ballet Nights has Wild Plum, Glowing Amber, and Tonka Cream. Viva Vanilla has Rich Plum, Glowing Amber, and Addictive Vanilla. And while I don't think that these two smell the same, they do share the amber note and the vanilla with sweet whiskey. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon is definitely a sweeter smell than sweet whiskey, which is odd given the names. Both Cozy Vanilla Bourbon and Sweet Whiskey are also online exclusives. Sweet Whiskey has scent notes of golden amber, vanilla-infused whiskey, and sweet red berries. And now, while I love vanilla scents, I don't think that you need all of the vanillas that I mentioned here today. And if I had to boot one of them from the list, I think Sweet Whiskey would be the one. It just isn't very unique, and I think I prefer Viva Vanilla over Sweet Whiskey. I also picked up a body oil from the Coco Shea line in the honey fragrance. I have the perfume mist in this scent, and I'm liking it more and more. The fragrance notes are simple, with sweet shea and golden honey. This is a very warm and comforting scent, which is going to be perfect for fall and winter. The last item that I picked up is a moisturizing body wash from the Sensitive Skin line, and it's the Milk fragrance. I've tried the perfume mist in store, and I didn't like it because all I got were oats, and not even sugared oats. But so many people have been raving about the scent that I thought I would give it a try in the body wash. Let me know which is your favorite Bath & Body Works vanilla down below.